Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today you will learn how to convert Base64 to PDF Node.js and JavaScript using PDF.co web API. You can see the link to the full tutorials in the description box below. Come and check out PDF.co for more info. We will use this sample Base64 and convert it into a PDF file. So let's begin. First, open the Visual Studio Code editor. You can also use your favorite editor in JavaScript. Next, enter the JavaScript sample code inside the compiler. You can see the link of the source code in the description box below. In line 8, add your PDF.co API key. You can get the API key in your PDF.co dashboard. In line 15, input your Base64 data URI. And type in your desired output file name for line 17. Once you're done setting up the code, let's run the program. In your terminal, type node app.js to send a request. The program runs successfully. Let's check the folder to view the output. Here's the converted PDF output from Base64. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website or visit on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.